How to fix audio crackling in Windows 11. So if your audio is actually cracking or it's quite jittery and then you want to learn how to solve it, there are a couple of ways you can do so. Now, sometimes it could be that your laptop has become quite old and that your speaker is about to be damaged or something like that. So unless it is a hardware damage for which you would have to change the speakers, you want to make sure that's not the case. But if you relatively think or you conductively think that the issue is being raised from the software side of things, then you can just try to fix it. So to do so, we will simply open up our settings on our Windows computer. Then on the left hand side, we will simply go to menu options, and one of those options will be sound. Now from system, go to the sound option here. And from here, you want to scroll and select troubleshoot common sound problems, then select output devices over here, since we're having issues with the output devices. So once we've done that, it will load up some kind of troubleshooter over here, which we have to extensively run. And our Windows will check if we have issue with our audio drivers or anything like that. And it will make sure to update it to the latest version. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.